Hi everyone, this is April from Flowers with the Foss family, and we garden in zone 4A. So I wanted to do a little video about some dahlias that are popping up. And so it's been raining for 2 days. Well, it didn't rain today, but it was very icky and gloomy and cold, and it's just starting to brighten up a little bit. So I just wanted to come out and share a little bit about some dahlias because they're really blooming now, and I want to share. So I know I shared these ones, and I don't know the names. I only know the names of a couple of them. This came in a mix, so I'm not sure what that one is. This one came in a mix too. It's white, there's bees. So we have this, it's cinnamon basil, and there is a bee on it, and I don't want to get stung, but I really wanted to show you this one. Oh my god, it's right by my face. Look at how cute that is. That is from the Cafe Ole mix, I believe. Here, let me get in there. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's like the prettiest pink ever. Okay, so that's the from the Cafe. I'm probably even saying that wrong. The Cafe mix. Okay, and then I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna try and be slow, but because my mom and one of my youngest sisters told me that I move way too fast. So I'm not editing because I don't know how yet. I should really learn. That's a really cute knockout rose. This is our front yard garden, and I've told you before that this is just a 1-year-old garden. Okay, we're gonna go over to a couple more dahlias, and then more of them are in the backyard. And the biggest problem right now seems to be with my videos that they're a little bit blurry, and I moved too fast, which maybe that's why they're too blurry, and probably the sound. So I'm going to get a microphone, and I use my phone, and so I heard that that's just as good as anything else, but I don't really know. These are, I don't know, they came in a mix. Actually, I think these ones are Blue Boy. This one is a Blue Boy, I think. It's not bloomed all the way yet. And then these ones over here that are falling all over do not last long at all. They're just a single petal, and they're not even that cute, but we had those last year, and then we just kept the tubers. So my husband took the tubers out of the ground. You dig them out of the ground at the end of the season, and he tried his best to label them. So we labeled them with a marker on the tuber, and that didn't work very well. So I bought some labels because it feels like it's fall right now, but it's not. Okay, this is so I believe that this is called the Blue Boy. So when you plant dahlias, they are tubers and then they multiply, and so we had so many tubers, and I don't know how many we planted because I didn't count them. I should have. Okay, we're gonna go to the back and I'm gonna try and go slow. So sorry if it's horrible. This is one of my favorite spots too. My husband was doing some stuff out here, so if this part is bad, I'm sorry. I'm walking fast, and you know, I can fast forward through this part. I'm so happy the sun came out. Okay, so the dahlias, let's go back here. Okay, here's some cosmos. Do you see the dahlias? Okay, so these are humongous. These are white ones, as you can see, and they're so big. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand next to them. They're huge and really, really pretty. They're white and big. The only thing I noticed with white dahlias is that the bugs, they like them, they get to them, and then they get spots on them. So, okay, and then these little white ones are tiny. Here's my hand, see? Aren't they cute? And these ones kind of look, well, they're white. I guess they're the same, maybe. To me, they look maybe like they have a hint of green to them, maybe. Okay. Here's more of the blue boy, I believe it's called. I could be wrong, but I think that is what it's called. Sorry about the noise. Neighbors and all. Oh, and I cut down these ones because they were getting out old, so I'll have to do another video at another time. Oh, there's zinnias. Okay, walking slow. And because I really have one that I want to show you. There's one that I want to show you. And it's over here. These ones haven't bloomed yet. You have to ask Dad. Okay, this one, oh my gosh, it's way down in here. This one is so cute. I said you have to ask Dad. Tucked under this Mexican sunflower bush. I swear it's a bush. It's so big because you know, sunflowers to me are just one or a few and done, but this is like a bush. It blooms and blooms and blooms. Okay, here's another section of dahlias. So these are the yellow ones, the same as by our deck. Really, they're pretty, really pretty. And those ones are the Linda's Baby. It's tall, that one's really tall. And then down there is Wizard of Oz. So pretty. It's really still out here. I love it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we're getting, here's more of the yellows, to the one that I wanted to show you so bad. Okay, so we don't know exactly what it's called, but I might have found the name after searching. Okay, so this is the back of it. That's my neighbor's yard, sorry. That's the back. Look at that. It is so cool. love, love that. And so we bought this. My husband actually bought this. This one is starting. It's the same one. We bought this from a store in our town called L&M. And at first I'm like, I'm not gonna like that because it's called I think it's called a cactus one. But it bloomed and I'm like, oh, I actually do like it. So yeah, I love it. And then this year it's so pretty, and so that one is growing really, really well, and we saved 2 tubers from it, so we have 2 plants. Yep. Okay. And then we have this one down here. There's 3, they're supposed to be the same, next to these teddy bear sunflowers that are so cool. I think I have to go around. I'm sorry if I'm moving too fast. Yeah, these ones are the same, little purple ones that aren't that great, but I thought purple and this would look perfect together. And even the bachelor button right there, you see it back there, turned purple, or not turned, but it is a purple one. And so far I've only seen that color purple right there because they're popping up all over next to the basil. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. Let's move over to this. These are the Wizard of Oz. Look at them. Oh, there's a crab spider. I don't know, is that the name? Oh, I hate spiders. But I know they're good, but I still hate them. Sorry, they're gross. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, I just wanted to show everyone those dahlias, and then I'm gonna say goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed the little dahlia tour. Hopefully it didn't make you too sick. Okay, bye friends.